Okay, on this Mazatrol 730L, we have a program that is moving the axis to the reference position number 2 and the reference position number 1, which is the G28 in first case, and you use G30 when you need to go to the reference position number 2, 3, and we have parameters for them. We have the position, the G28 shift position here, and we have reference position number 2, 3, and 4, and that's it, to be used with G30. We have a part clamshaft that is 10 millimeters longer. We can either modify from G53 or G28, then 27 to move the machine absolute position, okay?